Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe. It's free to support and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. And we are back. So today's video was sponsored by Luvme Hair. So thank you kindly for sending me this unit. Yes. Today's unit is the fabulous 5x5 lace glueless closure lace wig. Easy to wear, and I got it in 20 inches. The starting price for this unit is $219. My particular unit is $260. That's not bad, you know? Not bad at all. They do offer zip pay. It's another form of afterpay, so you do the 4 installments. It's called zip pay. It's something new. I actually haven't heard of it, but yes. So, you know, if you can't pay the full price right then and there, you can do zip pay. Also, if you pay through PayPal, you can do 4 installments through your PayPal as well. So PayPal does offer like another form of afterpay as well. This unit is fully glueless. If you have been watching my channel, or if you're new, I'm just gonna let you know right now, I cater to the lazy wig wearer. I do not like to do a lot of work with my units. So if you guys saw, this unit was so easy. I will say that you know, the elastic band does help with the glueless part of it, because on camera you can't see the lace, but in person, if I look, you know, in the mirror, I can see the lace. So if you want something that you really can't see at all, unfortunately you're going to have to use some got-to-be glue blasting spray or some type of glue so it can mold in with your skin. If you're like me and you're a lazy wig wearer and you don't really care, you know, I don't be in people's faces that much anyway, so I don't care. But if I decide to, you know, wear this unit tonight, a night out, maybe I'll bring some baby hairs and just curve it just so it could blend in a little bit more and you can't see the line of demarcation from the wig. But as far as this wig, you can't really tell on camera, but for me in person, I can tell. For the sake of this video, I wanted to make it fully glueless because that's what the title says. There are a lot of fellow YouTubers out here that say glueless and put glue on it. No, I wanted to give you guys what I'm showing. So this is it, fully glueless. So this unit does have 4 combs. There are 1, 2, 3, and then 1 in the back. There are adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly. It is a 22-inch circumference size, so keep that in mind. The adjustable straps, you know, you can adjust it to your head size back there as well, and it also has the elastic band to make things tighter for you. As far as shedding and tangling, it's 100% human hair, so you know, I haven't experienced any tangling, a little bit of shedding, you know, because I did wash the unit when I got it out the packaging. I washed it, I did flat iron it, and you guys know I don't like using product in my hair, but I had to use a little bit of this wax stick in between, like flat ironing each piece, just a tiny bit of product. When I was flat ironing it by itself, there were a bunch of flyaways and I didn't like the way it looked, so I just added a little bit of the wax stick and just to flatten it out, and I like it. It's cute. This unit is 180% density. The color is natural black. You can dye it as well. It's a Swiss lace in a 5x5 lace area, so just keep that in mind. One thing that I wasn't really a huge fan of is that you can see the cutoff right here. You know, I was gonna pull my edges out. If you guys saw earlier when I first came on video looking crazy, I was gonna like maybe leave my edges out, but then I'm like, oh, the lace isn't, you know, going to be coming to my forehead if I do it that way. So maybe a recommendation for the future could be if they could make it where you can have a little bit of leave out. If not, when you're blown in the wind, everybody's going to be seeing all of this, just so you know. This hair is supposed to last for a year, so keep in mind that's like, you know, if you're wearing it every day and things like that, a few times a month, keep that in mind. And again, the installation was super easy. As you guys know, I love me a quick slayage, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my packaging. So this is what the box that it came in. This is what it looks like, this pretty purple, and their logo, Love Me Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. And I got a note saying, you know, thank you for your purchase, enjoy your hair. The founder of Love Me Hair. It came with 2 wig caps and this super cute fluorescent bag. Oops, my stuff fell out. These are for your edges, an edge brush, so I'm happy about that. This is for your edges. You tie this around, you know, if you're gluing something down, you tie this down. It comes with adjustable elastic band. If you have a bigger head and you know you need to add that extraness in there, it has some bobby pins. You can pluck this some more, and it comes with a Love Me clip, which is really, really cute. And, well, I guess you're supposed to wear it this way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I like these little bags that we get when we order wigs, because, you know, I have so many things. I have this big hair bin, and I would just be wondering, you know, what I can do with some of this stuff, but I'm gonna start adding stuff in here. It also comes with a photo of this beautiful black queen right here. And then it has the return policy and some additional information that you may need. So yes, thank you Love Me Hair for kindly sending me this unit. I am loving it. You guys know I love me an easy slayage, so I'm happy. The less work, the better. I'm a busy woman. I'm a business owner. I work from home. I have a lot on my plate outside of being a YouTuber. I'm a wife, and you know, I like to just plop and go with my hair, so thank you. So this is what the 20 inches is looking like. And there you have it. There you have it. Easy. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. how are you feeling this, you know, glueless wig, okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. It's free to support your girl, you know, subscribe. That's all I'm asking you to do. Show me some love, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.